Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to walk you through exactly how to sign up for Uber so you can start booking rides in just a few minutes. This guide covers the entire registration process from downloading the app to setting up your profile. So now, let's get started. Step 1 is to download the Uber app from the App Store or Play Store and click on Open once the installation is finished. This is the first essential step to access the platform's interface and begin the process of creating your new personal rider account. Step 2 is to click on Get Started at the bottom of the screen to move past the initial welcome animation and enter the registration portal. This button is the main entry point for new users and prepares the app to collect your basic contact information and preferences. Step 3 is to select your preferred sign-up method such as mobile phone number, Apple, Google, or email. Then fill in your email address and click on Next. Choosing a secure sign-up method is important for protecting your account and ensuring you can receive trip receipts and important updates. Step 4 is to copy the 4-digit code sent to your email and paste it into the app to verify that your contact information is correct. This security step is vital because it confirms your identity and prevents unauthorized users from using your email address to create fake accounts. Step 5 is to enter your first name and your last name, then click on Next to personalize your profile for the drivers who will pick you up. Providing your real name is important for safety and helps your driver identify you quickly when they arrive at your pickup location. Step 6 is to click on I agree to accept the terms and policies and click on Next to confirm that you understand the rules of the platform. This agreement is a mandatory legal requirement that outlines your rights as a passenger and the community guidelines you must follow while using the service. Step 7 is to click on Next to complete the final confirmation and enter the main map interface where you can finally start requesting rides. This final click finishes the registration journey and successfully activates your account so you are ready to travel anywhere at any time. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.